This 2005 Tiffin Allegro bus is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, awning. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area. This 2005 Tiffin Allegro bus is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.